China's Tianjin-based AtomRobot has just rolled out an updated version of its Tianbing-1 AR-H1, and it is built for exactly the kind of factory jobs that still resist full automation. Think about heavy parts that need careful handling, narrow aisles where a conventional robot struggles to turn, and hazardous zones where people simply should not linger for long. Moving to the hardware, what truly sets this machine apart is the waist. Instead of using a conventional serial joint, AtomRobot fitted a high-stiffness Stewart parallel mechanism. This is the exact same architecture used in flight simulators and precision machine tools. This parallel structure lets the waist carry a massive 200 kilograms, all while smoothly pitching, twisting, and swaying. The result is a compact upper body that can effortlessly work in tight factory paths without making the usual trade-off between strength and flexibility. Looking at the chassis underneath, it features a dual steering wheel drive system with a true zero turning radius. This means the robot can easily spin in place and slip through gaps that would stop a bipedal design cold. For navigation, it relies on laser slam fused with advanced vision technology. There are no magnetic strips and no QR codes needed on the floor. You can simply drop it into a new workshop, and it will automatically map and localize on its own. It then expertly maintains millimeter-level positioning, even when people and materials are constantly moving around it. While official retail pricing has not yet been published by AtomRobot itself, secondary industrial listings place similar configurations in the roughly $30,000 to $50,000 range.